So where we're at now with the waterfall rock in place, if we're going to do any kind of changes, now's the time to do it. Stay with me. This is one of the rocks that we want moved. I think we're just going to lift it up, turn it a bit, and set it back down. It'll redefine the line a little bit around the outside. And now that we've got all this garbage stuff out, we're getting a pretty good vision of what we want out of this pond. So let's get this one done. This rock here, we want to do the same thing. We want to kind of twist it and almost pull it. It's sitting in a recessed area, and we want to twist it up and elevate this area, or at least bring it up the hill a bit. This one here, it's only about 200 pounds. I should be able to roll it. One out of the way. Up and over, eh? Wow. That's gonna really hurt. I think I might be able to get the crane around that. Yes. Yes. I'm not the kind of guy to ever get upset at stuff like that. I can't even tell if I even moved it or if it settled right back into the same spot. Don't know yet. We had a look at the footage. Apparently it moved back a bit and turned a bit. I only know one thing. Not worth the effort it's going to take to put that exactly where I see it to be. It's not happening today. We'll find out later. I'll get these chains out of here. You help me for a second? Oh, I gotta get this chain out from under the rock. I need the help. You up for it?
I'm parking. Hang on, let me park. I'll be right over.
Oh.
And then you're quitting and you're having a beer with me. Is that
So I grabbed this pipe, right? I thought it was suspended. It wasn't. Pipe dropped right on the rock. I can
feel it right now.
You know what? You know what you do right away? Keep working.
Don't think about it.
Don't even think about it, right? So I don't want to stop.
Okay, let me hear. Yeah, if you stop, it's just going to be.
Oh yeah, it hurts.
It will never stop. Holy shit. That's a small rock, Remy. That's a real tiny little rock. Yeah.
You know what? I'm trying to move it just a few inches, and it dawned on me. We put that in with the tractor, didn't we? Yeah, because the crane can't do anything with it. It's got to be 2,000 pounds. Yeah. I think that's all. It's all right there. Oh, perfect. That's all it takes. So I got. Look, I got